Hi, today we're going to look at the law of attraction. We're going to discover what is the law of attraction, how this law works, and how to use this law in action. My name is Rafal Burchard and you are watching Free Your Mind channel. Number one place for everyone who wants to make the best use of your mind and body. Welcome. What is the law of attraction and from where this law is originating from? The law of attraction is one of the laws of karma. This law is my favorite one. Once you have a good understanding of how the law works, you can attract to your life almost everything. Would you like to have more money, or maybe would you like to move on with your career, or maybe you're looking for a perfect partner? If you use this law properly, all those things can happen. Yes, that sounds like magic, but there is nothing magical in this law. The key is in understanding how our subconscious mind works and processes information. During this episode, I am not going to discuss in-depth subconscious mind, as I had done it already in my previous episodes, and I would suggest to look at them as well to have a full picture. How the law of attraction works. I'm going to start from a quote that is describing perfectly how you are programming your subconscious mind. You are the books you read, you are the movies you watch, you are the music you listen to, you are the people you spend time with, you are the conversation you engage in. Choose wisely what you feed your mind with. Now I'm going to translate the above quote into the law of attraction. You're going to attract into your life whatever you admire in the books you read, whatever you admire in the movies you watch, whatever you admire in the music you listen to, whatever is the subject of your conversation with other people, and whatever people you're with, similar people will find a way into your life. Choose wisely what you want to attract into your life. I like to add to the above list the most important sentence. You're going to attract into your life whatever you think, say, wish, or imagine. Be careful what you say, think, wish, or imagine, as this is going to happen. I'm sure that this still sounds like magic. Let's look at the underlying mechanisms. You are the captain on the ship, and whatever you say, consciously using your power of now, or using automatic responses when running programs, subconscious programs, as discussed in my previous episodes about the power of now and subconscious programming. You are setting the directions for your subconscious mind to direct the ship, that means your life. Or in other words, what your subconscious will focus on, your attention. At this point, I like to quote another wonderful sentence. And when you want something, all the universe will conspire in helping you to achieve it. This quote comes from The Alchemist, by the way, fantastic book. This quote hides the essence of the law of attraction. Listen again, in other words. Whatever you want, all the universe will help you to make it happen. Or in other words, whatever you want, your subconscious will help you to make it happen. Or in other words, whatever you want, the subconscious will find in your environment the way to make it happen and will draw your attention to it. The word universe can be changed with subconscious mind. I like to draw your attention to a few key facts about the law of attraction. 1. Subconscious will not recognize that you are joking, so be careful what you are saying, even when you are joking, especially about yourself. For example, if you made a mistake and you're saying, "Oh, silly me," or even worse, stupid, 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 yes, your subconscious will guide you towards other situations when you can prove yourself that you are silly or stupid. 2. Subconscious is not going to make things for you. You need to act and not be a passenger in your life. For example, you want to work for Apple. Your subconscious will scan the environment to find opportunities for you to work for Apple, but is not going to make you work for Apple. You need to act on the subconscious suggestions or intuitions, as discussed in my previous episode, The Power of Intuition. 3. Direct your attention. When you want something, study the subject. It will be much easier for your subconscious mind to find the way for you. For example, if you want to work for the best cybersecurity company, you need to study the subject and understand the market. Only then your subconscious will be able to successfully direct your attention to the opportunities. If this still sounds like magic, consider this. The opportunities are always out there. The key is in your focus. Take into account that our subconscious mind gets about 5% of the signs that are arriving into your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind decides what 5% we're going to get based on your wish list and algorithm. If you add to the wish list, I want to work for Apple, your subconscious from all 100% of information will select the 5 that might lead to your goal. There is another variable, I mentioned it before, the algorithm, that our subconscious mind uses to select the 5% of information is based on the data that your subconscious already has about how to find a job in the mobile phone sector. For example, if you have no information on how to find a job at all, how you can expect your subconscious mind to search for this information for you? And another example, if you add to your list, "Oh, I am so silly," your subconscious mind will scan the environment and select that 5% of opportunities to confirm that you are silly. And because you are using automatic responses, or in other words, programs, unless you are using the power of now, you will automatically jump on this opportunity to call yourself silly. If you want to learn more about programming, check my previous episode about social programming. Well, what about unrealistic wishes? For example, I like to be a king of Scotland. Well, your subconscious mind will add this to your wish list and will look for opportunities to become a king of Scotland. This search will be based on your knowledge of politics, history, and other important areas of royalty life. Well, I guess you can predict what might be the outcome of this wish, unless you are a member of the royal family. Whatever you wish, your subconscious is going to look for the opportunity based on the programs. You need to be mindful that some wishes will not happen during this lifetime and might continue to the next one. To summarize, the law of attraction is like a search browser in your computer or mobile device. You type in your wish or what you are looking for, and the search engine will find it for you. The search is based on the algorithm or program, so if your search engine is not working as you want, you can change this program and use Google, Bingo, Duck, Yahoo, or another search algorithm. In other words, you can educate yourself and reprogram your subconscious mind. Then once the search is completed, it is up to you to select the search result and act on the findings. To make it even easier, the law of attraction is your subconscious is searching and selecting for you the 5% of data that you wish for. And when you want something, all the universe will conspire in helping you to achieve it. And how to use the law of attraction in practice. 1. Use the positive affirmation technique as a starting point. I discussed this technique in my previous episode. I suggest to check it out. This technique will help you to establish a positive and directed flow of thoughts or no thoughts to direct your attention to what you want to achieve. 2. Be aware of the impact of your words, thoughts, and imagination onto the future. 3. Have the awareness whatever you do now will only evolve in the future. 4. Take action. Nothing will happen without you participating in the process. 5. The subconscious or universe is just attracting the opportunities. It is up to you to use them. During my next episode, I'm going to talk about other laws of karma. I'm going to explain the underlying processes and how to use them in practice. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to get notification about my next episodes. Put a comment below with your questions and suggestions. How can I improve my presentation? My name is Rafal Burchard and you are watching Free Your Mind channel. See you next time.